Okay, so I just bought an AD10 Advancer by XTOOL. I've plugged it into my car. I've set a fault on it intentionally. It's the EGR valve solenoid. So let's do a scan and see how good this little thing is. Ignition's on. I'll just put the code in. So it's just loading. I ain't actually used this much, so I don't really understand it all. It says device connecting. So I'll come back when it's connected. Okay, it's connected now. So let's have a look at what we've got. DIY mode. Null status. I don't know, OBD code. Oh no, that's just fault codes to look up. But it says no fault codes and malfunction indicator lamps off, but it ain't, it's on. So I've got a P014. Is there a way to clear it? This is the first one I've seen with its own software, so I was hoping it's going to be alright, but I'm not holding my breath anymore. I mean, it's logged on, 12 volts, 10 degrees C. Vehicle detection, mileage, that's in DIY mode. I best go for them all. I'm not going to do a scan. No, I will do a scan actually. See what it does. I'll come back after it's scanned. Okay, so I did a scan. It's found four faults, and it says clear all DTCs. So that's how you do it. So it's redeeming itself. So they're all about what I pulled off the intake air temperature sensor, the mass airflow and the EGR. So it's roughly about right, I think. So I'll try and clear them. Clear all DTCs, success. So yeah, not a bad tool when you get used to it. So you have to scan it to get your codes and then clear them. You got a dashboard here that it's like tells you the engine load and stuff for teenagers, I think. So how'd you get out of that? Oh, I see. Vehicle detection, that's your scan. Dashboard, that's what I just showed you. Mileage log. Log in first. I ain't got an account, so I ain't going to do that. Performance testing. Don't know what that is, so we'll have a look. Same again, it just looks like stuff for teenagers with GTIs and things. Leaderboard. No idea what that is. And DIY mode. Freeze frame would be good stuff. The mill states would be good if you're buying a new car, because it tells you when you last cleared the code. Yeah, okay, pretty good. For what I pay for this £10, it's definitely worth it. This is the first one I've seen that's under, well, it's cheap and has its own software. So for that, I'd recommend it.